Have you ever wondered how that perfect juicy mango in your hand made its way to you? From a tiny blossom on a tree to a delicious treat on your plate, the journey of a mango is a fascinating story of nature, technology, and a whole lot of hard work. Today, we're going deep into the world of mangoes to uncover the incredible process behind one of the world's most beloved fruits. It all begins here, in these sprawling, sun-drenched orchards. As far as the eye can see, thousands of mango trees stand in neat rows, their branches heavy with the promise of a sweet harvest. But getting to this point is a journey in itself. The process starts with carefully selected saplings, chosen for their potential to produce high-quality, delicious fruit. These young trees are planted with precision, given just the right amount of space to grow and thrive. As the trees mature, modern farming techniques come into play. Sophisticated irrigation systems deliver water directly to the roots, ensuring every drop is used efficiently. Farmers monitor the soil, providing a balanced diet of fertilizers to nourish the trees and help them produce the best possible fruit. And to protect the precious crop, they use a combination of traditional wisdom and modern science for pest control, often favoring natural methods to keep the mangoes healthy and safe. We watch as tiny flowers bloom, eventually giving way to small green fruits that slowly swell and ripen under the warm sun, transforming into the vibrant yellow, orange, and red jewels we all know and love. Pick it too late, and it could be overripe. In many places, harvesting is still done the old-fashioned way by hand.